Seems quiet. Might be able to use this. Look at this.
You look like you've been through hell.
Watch out. I see one. I'm not a violent man. This is something I gotta do. I'll make it snappy.
I thought for a minute. Never mind. Whoever you are, let's stick together. I'm so relieved to see you. You seem like someone I can trust. It's in your eyes.
Damn, way out of here. Seriously?
This door has to lead out of here. I need to open it.